black, which is this. You see it? You see? Watch this. You see this? Show them the bulb down there. Show them the bulb. You see? Off, on, off, on. Watch here. See that? Can you see? Okay, watch. Can you see the line? Let me. You see? You see that? Alright, if you are using electricity in your house right now and you pay for it monthly or annually, please disconnect it, because I'm going to show you how you can generate electricity in your house for 2 weeks with just 4 spoons of salt and electrolyte. You can use this electrolyte. Is I think 800 naira. You can use it for complete a year. And salt, how much is salt? Just I think 70 to 100 naira. So with just 1,000 naira, you can power your house for complete 6 months. And this thing is free. You're not going to pay me anything, nothing. I teach you free of charge. Yes. So I think I get let me say bunch of videos in this channel which people say that we don't understand where to get electrolyte or where to get salt. If you need a salt, go to a shop where they sell Maggi, pepper and sugar. All those shops, get a salt. You can get salt there. This is just regular salt people eat at home. And if you need electrolyte, just walk to any chemist and then ask of electrolyte. This one is 800. I remove the label for security reasons. Yes. So just walk to any shop where you can get electrolyte for just 800 naira, then power your house with what I'm going to demonstrate for you today. 24 hours light. You don't need to pay bill, pay all those things. No. So let's jump in right now. Let's go outside. I don't want to do it here because some people are like doubting. If they connect wire somewhere, no. I want to be doing them outside right now, just outside or in a bush. Yes. So let's go outside. Let me demonstrate how this works. Let's go there. Yeah. This is a salt and electrolyte, as I said. So first thing to do, we are going to use this bucket as our positive. This one. So I'm going to let me put it here because of sun. We are going to add just two drop of electrolyte like this in this positive. Let me put it here. Then like 4 spoons of salt. 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. And just dice it, and we are going to make sure the water is the same level. Let me use this cup like 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's use 5 cups because I'm only going to power 100 watts bulb. Yeah, 100 watts bulb. So let's use this 4 and suppose turn it to dissolve. Dissolve. Yes, here we are. So had to dissolve more and dissolve. I can still see some salt under, but I think it's much better right now. So the next thing to do is to connect our bulb like this. So connect our bulb like this. Come to this place. You know how to connect I'm put already. This is screw. This is screw. So we are going to connect bulb. I indicate this one so that for me to know the plus and minus. You need to know the plus and minus, because you know, you can't make mistake with that. Can't make mistake on that plus and minus. So let's put this screw bob here. Let's put this screw bob here. And as you can see, that is all. It's done. I still need a little bit dissolving. And in this kind of connection, you always put a stabilizer. But me, I'm sure about this. But for you, you need to put a stabilizer. Like two. Where is the stabilizer? I got the stabilizer here. You know, you can't just shook it inside now, so we need a socket. We need socket. Let me also connect this socket with long wire somehow. This short cable. Let me use a very long cable. Two nails down here. You need two nails here. Remember the positive and negative. Always get that. So these are nails. Put two nails like this. Nail like this. Two nails like this. See? Two nails. Then I put this head into my socket. Where is the socket? Where is the socket? Now connect this place now to this socket. Remember the negative and positive. Socket also has a negative and positive. So you connect this one with the positive and negative. Normally, here we are. The socket is done just like this. You see? So now let me quickly test this in before the sun arises. I want to do this outside so that because of you know, some people thinking this is there is something else, something wire anywhere. Look at it, no wire anywhere. You see? Come closer to this place. You see light? Can you see the light? You see the light, right? Okay, now make sure you put a stabilizer like this, and I plug this stabilizer here. Let me leave it on. Watch here. See that? Can you see? Okay, watch. Can you see the line? Let me. You see? You see that? So, and when I turn it on here, and I turn it on here. Can you see that? Show me here. Show me this like this power on. You see it? Can you see the light? So let us test it with a bulb and see. The 100 watts we connected. What is 100 watts? So here is our 100 watts bulb. Let's connect this bulb under. Look at it. Show me the under. I need tester. Show me 100 watts here. Let me plug this under. Watch there. You see that? Off. You see that? You see that? It's from the back under there. But this place is not remove. You see that? You see that? So the power now is from here to this stabilizer and to this bulb, and I can also use a and I can also plug the bulb directly to the water, but stabilizer is advisable. Let me test it out. Let me just keep it up here. Keep everything up here. Then turn everything off. Something like this. Put this one here. So this time around we need the bulb and the nail from here. We need this nail right here. We need this nail now. It is now a direct connection, so we don't need a stabilizer. So the nail is going to this place. Let me use a teeth. Let me quickly use teeth because of time. But it's not advisable to use a teeth share. I'm just trying to make it faster, and the kind of engineer as we need to do everything fast because of data and time. So we'll put this nail here. Some people if you get switch here, turn it on, but without a switch we are just going to put it in like this. Look at the bulb there now, you can see, and remember the red which is this, and the black which is this. You see it? You see? Watch this. See this? Show them the bulb down there. Show them the bulb. You see? Off, on, off, on. So I'm actually using this iron bucket because of when you plug a refrigerator onto this, it will get hot, and during that time let me say when you plug refrigerator, it will get very hot, and that time maybe if you use rubber bucket, it will melt, maybe under or anywhere it will melt. So I think you should use iron bucket, but don't let children to come and closer to this. Okay, so let me test it one more time. Let me test it one more time. Just put this inside. You see the light on, and you remove it and the light off. See this? See this? See this? So this particular one can power my a whole house for, like, let me say, for let's say 1 to 2 weeks, sure, depending on what you put your appliances, depending on the load what you put on it. Yeah, so I think that is all for now. And remember, FK Tech will never ask you to send money. We won't send anybody to pay us money for any reason. Okay, so this is just a free. You can join our WhatsApp group, in a WhatsApp community where we discuss it live on about this. So thank you very much for watching, and God bless you. Thank you.